Hey guys, monsoon is here and as we all know, chances of vulnerabilities also begins with the monsoon showers. Our mind and body, which can be frail now, needs some extra care. When it comes to health, cleanliness is key and that should begin with us. Here are some precautionary steps to be followed during monsoon. Make sure to consume clean boiled water. Switch to healthy homemade food habits. Consume medicated food like karkidaga kanji, a nutritious combo of red rice, coconut milk, jaggery and other healthy grains of your choice with a few spoons of ghee in it. There should not be water stagnating around your surroundings. Wash vegetables, fruits and other items thoroughly. Engage in light workouts like skipping, spot jogging and more. Consider rejuvenation therapies like Karkidaga Chikitsa to take a break from the pressures of your daily life. Finally, make sure to have some good sleep. So, let's spare some time for self-care and stay healthy in this monsoon.